Gonna try one more time, see if I can get this other stream working. Doesn't seem to be. The broadcast software is just having a little hiccup. If it doesn't initiate right now, then we'll just go ahead and get started and not worry about it. Okay. It does not look like it's going to work. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get started here. Okay, actually, I think we're good. Okay, good. I guess third time's the charm. Good afternoon. This is Ifan from the Strategic Day Trader, and this is your market wrap for June 22nd, 2021. Qs up about 1%, SPY up about 0.5%, and just to keep things consistent, lately we've been looking at the IWM up 0.45. Coming into today, bullish on the Qs and SPY, right? We noticed they were staying strong. We'd gotten the information, we'd gotten the chart that we wanted to see yesterday, right? If there was going to be another leg down, should have happened yesterday afternoon. We didn't get it, came into today bullish, okay? And we'll still be bullish going into tomorrow. Got a couple days up now. Wouldn't be surprised if we go into a pause for the next couple days before we move up some more. We could just move up some more. Nice kind of trend day that we had today on the Qs and SPY. Overall bullish, okay? And like I said yesterday, we would really have to see kind of a negation of yesterday's move up in order to be bearish. We didn't get that, so right, gonna remain bullish going into tomorrow. All right, let's take a look at today's plays. The first play gave you at the open BBIG. Okay, nice little pullback here into a base. Okay, this is a lot like the VKTX that we played last week. VKTX off of the 15-minute here. Same pattern, okay? This was off of the 15. It was, what, Thursday afternoon? Okay, pullback, base, 20 MA catches up, and then we break out from there, and we stuck with that one just until end of day. The BBIG, however, did not give us that luxury. Well, it did get to a first target here on the pullback. Did get to the first target after the move up, but the back half came back in. So didn't make that much on the BBIG. Was looking to hold this one, given the daily doing a buy setup here. Okay, so small play there on the BBIG. Next play, nice play here. Just following Sammy on the IDRA. IDRA. Nice breakout right here. This was actually called twice, the IDRA. Breakout here, okay, and just trailed, I think, to 44 on this after this breakout. It's not a huge play. The actually afternoon play was even nicer. Again, here, a little bit of a pullback and a breakout. So hopefully you're starting to see that across these different time frames, we're still playing the same pattern, right? Moved up, pulled back, base until the 20 MA caught up. So we can take this. We can put it in compare to the VKTX, right? A little bit of a bigger move up and less basing, but base long enough for the 20 MA to catch up there. And then IDRA here moved up earlier and then did the pullback right into there. Similar kind of play. And even the BBIG off the 1 minute this morning, also a similar kind of play. SCR, kind of like that too. More of a high of the day base was this SCR. And man, this thing, I was complaining about how wild this thing was, which I did not know it was going to be that way when I played it, because, you know, this is just a high of the day base breakout. Okay. So this finally got a first target here, but you can already see kind of how whippy this is, right? And then target 2 on the next big pop. And then I was looking to hold this until end of the day. And if you were, you know, in the room today, you know, I was on the mic and it gave this whole bar back. And I was just like, you know what, I'm done with this thing. This thing is just, if I had known it was going to trade like this, wouldn't have played it. It did work. It did okay, but it was just kind of a headache to be in. Okay, so, but overall, the pattern's fine. The daily's bullish. Okay. So I liked all of that about it, of course. I just didn't know it was going to do all of this. So just a little bit of too messy. This is the kind of thing you don't want to be really playing, especially as day trades, because you take a little bit of slippage on the way out, easy to get shaken out of, or take slippage on the way out. Really makes it hard to kind of walk away with a good play on this. So as nice as that is, I'm glad, this avoided any of this stuff, but it was kind of, I was already on high alert that this thing is just kind of a really sloppy mover. Okay. All right. So those were the plays today for me. I included a link in the description for those of you interested in checking out the room this week. We have 3 more days left. All right, so you can see how the plays are called, how they are managed, okay, throughout the day, because we are trading from open to close. In fact, we actually start 30 minutes before the open to start to prep on the mic and showing you the charts. Okay, so if that's something you're curious about, you're interested in, now's a good time to check it out. All right, hope you did well today. We'll be back at it tomorrow, and I will talk to you then. Have a good evening.